Good morning. I am Dibyendu Mondol. Today I am discussing about stagnation properties. Stagnation properties. Stagnation properties. Okay. Stagnation properties. The isentropic stagnation state is defined as the state a fluid in motion would reach if it were brought to rest isentropically in steady flow adiabatic zero work output device. This is a reference state in compressible fluid flow and is commonly designated with the subscript 0. Okay, if you draw the HS diagram, this one is the H, another one is the S entropy, this is the H0 and this is the H, okay, and this one is the V square by 2. Okay, P0, that is the stagnation pressure, another one is the P is the static pressure,
P equal to static pressure.
So therefore the stagnation enthalpy H0 is related to the enthalpy and velocity of the moving fluid given by H0 is equal to H plus V square by 2. H0 that is equal to H plus V square by 2. H0 is equal to H plus V square by 2. For an ideal gas, Cp T0 minus T V square by 2.
Okay, Cp T0 minus T, that is equal to V square by 2. Okay.
Now, the properties without subscript denote static properties. Cp equal to gamma r gamma minus 1 T0 by T equal to 1 plus V square gamma minus 1 2 gamma RT.
2 gamma RT. Okay.
So you may write down with the Mach number T0 by T equal 1 plus gamma minus 1 by 2 m square. The stagnation properties P0 is related to the Mach number and static pressure in case of an ideal gas by the following equation: P0 by P equal T0 by T whole to the power gamma by gamma minus 1 equal 1 minus 1 plus gamma minus 1 by 2 m square whole to the power gamma minus 1 by gamma. Okay, actually this is the gamma by gamma minus 1. Okay, 1 plus gamma minus 1 by 2 m square whole to the power gamma by gamma minus 1. Okay, now our next topic is subsonic and supersonic nozzle. Okay, subsonic and supersonic nozzle. Subsonic and supersonic nozzle. Subsonic and supersonic and supersonic nozzle. For isentropic flow through a nozzle, you may write down H0 is equal to H plus V square by 2. Okay, since stagnation enthalpy does not change, stagnation enthalpy does not change, তাহলে dH equal to minus V dV. dH is equal to minus V dV. From the property relation, TdS is equal to dH minus VdP. TdS equal to dH minus VdP. Okay, TdS is equal to dH minus VdP. For isentropic flow, dH is equal to dP by rho. For isentropic flow, dH equal to dP by rho. dP is equal to minus rho dV. dP is equal to minus rho dV dV. So dP by dV less than 0. dP by dV less than 0. Therefore, as pressure decreases for flow through a nozzle, the velocity increases. Okay, pressure decreases, velocity increases. Pressure, very important. Pressure decreases. Pressure decreases, the velocity increases. Pressure decreases, velocity increases. Okay, and vice versa. The continuity equation gives omega. Continuity equation gives omega is equal to rho AV. Continuity equation omega is equal to rho AV by logarithmic differentiation Okay, logarithmic differentiation, d rho by rho plus dA by A plus dV by V plus dV by V equal to 0. dV by V equal to 0, or dA by A equal minus dV by V equal minus d rho by rho, minus d rho by rho. Okay, so substituting the equation dA by A equal dP by rho V square dA by A is equal to
dA by A equal to
dP by rho V square minus d rho by rho equal minus dP by rho V square one minus V square d rho by dP d rho by dP,
1 minus V square d rho by dP. Okay, so that is the dA by A. Okay,
so therefore you may write down dA by A equal d rho by rho V square 1 minus m square therefore dA by A equal m square minus 1 dV by V when m less than 1 the inlet velocity is subsonic. Okay, inlet velocity is subsonic. As flow area A decreases, the pressure decreases. Okay, flow area A decreases, pressure decreases. Okay, pressure decreases and the velocity increases. Okay, velocity increases. Okay, velocity increases. So for subsonic flow, a convergent passage becomes a nozzle and a divergent passage becomes a diffuser. When m greater than 1, when m greater than 1, inlet velocity is supersonic. Inlet velocity is supersonic. The flow area A decreases flow area A decreases, pressure increases and velocity decreases. Pressure increases and velocity decreases.
Okay, pressure increases and velocity decreases. Okay,
And as flow area A increases, pressure decreases and velocity increases. So for supersonic flow, a convergent passage is a diffuser and divergent passage is a nozzle. Okay, if you draw the diagram, this is the one, m less than 1, m1 is equal to 0.2, and that is the 2. Okay, barrier of, okay, here m2 0.8. So this is the subsonic nozzle. Okay, subsonic nozzle.
this is the subsonic nozzle.
And subsonic diffuser, just reverse of this, subsonic diffuser. Subsonic diffuser M1 is equal to 0.7, okay, M1 is equal to 0.7, this is the 1 and this is the 2, and M2 is equal to 0.3. So that is the subsonic diffuser.
This is the subsonic diffuser. Okay,
And another one is the supersonic nozzle. Supersonic nozzle. Supersonic nozzle. This is the 1, this is the 2. Okay, M greater 1, M1 3.2, M2 2.4. Okay, and that is the 2 section, 1 section. This one is the supersonic diffuser. Okay, that is the supersonic diffuser. Supersonic diffuser. And supersonic nozzle